Hello students, this is Mr. Hernandez The Tech Teacher, and welcome to Week 6, Second 9 Weeks Binary Code assignment. This assignment is for kinders all the way to 5th graders. Let's go to my activity page to see what we're doing this week. Panthers, I have a digital version of the activity for this week. Last week you got to, if you were in school, you got to do the hands-on activities. And so 3rd, 4th, and 5th grade got to do slightly older tasks, and my younger grades kind of did a slightly different, easier task, modified task, and I'll just go over those real quick and tell you what kinds of things to expect for this week, all right? And so last week, a lot of us got to code certain names, words, objects, okay, with our binary code. We were introduced to the binary code, a system of zeros and ones that your computer uses to code commands and certain things in a computer. And we got to use the beads to click well, in real life, in person, we got to pick these up and move them onto our little grid board. We got to experiment with maximum of 5 letters. This grid board has one letter, one line for each letter or number. So here's a letter line, letter line. And so we got to experiment last week with that by creating your name or nickname, birth year, food, drink, secret word. My older grades had all the tasks ahead of time. Some of my younger grades, we went one at a time with some of these things. And so that was a lot of fun. My kinders got to do a little bit easier activity. We got to just make some designs with the beads. We kind of ignored our binary code for now. Maybe we'll get there at some point. But we got to move our beads and create different letters, shapes, and things. Maybe a smiley face too was thrown in there. Whatever. This week with some of my groups, at least my older groups, I want to start off by giving you a code. Here's an example, and I want you to be able to tell me what it is. I'll probably have you duplicate it in class, this same code, and then see who can tell me at first. Okay? So for example, if I showed you this code, what is it? And here you can see a little bit of my 01 code, but the word here, if I reveal it, well, I know this one starts with a B, remembering that this bead in the second space here, these are 5th, 4th, 3rd, 2nd, and 1st spaces. Spaces are from right to left, 1 to 5, but later on we'll talk more about that. But anyways, yeah, this is bike, I believe. Is Mr. H right? Yes, I am right. Okay, and so we're going to do stuff like that in class this week for my older grades. My younger grades, I might do something similar with you. And my lower grades, we might still do some more pixel art. But yeah, binary code, we're still playing some more. Those of you who missed remote learning will get to see this in person for the first time. Those of you who were with me Wednesday, Thursday, Friday of last week will get to continue a little bit more of this. All right, 2nd week of doing binary code. We got 2 more weeks after this of doing it. Can't wait to see you in class, Panthers. Bye for now.